Morning. Today I am going to teach you something about vector. In science also you learn scalar and vector. Today vectors for beginners part 1. Actually the meaning of vector is to carry a point from one point to another. Vector means carry. Define a vector with some examples. Solution. A vector is a quantity, means physical quantity, which has both a magnitude, means value, and a direction. It must have a value and it must have a direction. Example: velocity, magnetic field intensity, acceleration, displacement, momentum, force, weight, etc. Meaning of vector in foreign language like Greek or Latin, see, carry. It is denoted, means a vector is denoted by an arrowhead. Example, A, this you have to read vector A, AB, vector AB. There are different types of vectors, like vectors, unlike vectors, unit vectors, equal vectors, unequal vectors, parallel vectors, like parallel. Two vectors are parallel if their slopes are equal, perpendicular or orthogonal vectors. Two vectors are perpendicular to each other. They make 90 degree. Like vector A is perpendicular to vector B. This is the introduction to vector. Now, others. Notation. Let vector A equal x1 y1, or you can write x1I plus y1. See, you can write you can denote the vector like this: x1 y1, x1I plus y1j, where I and j are unit vectors along the x-axis and y-axis, and another vector b equal x2 y2, like x2 vector I plus y2 vector j. This is the column vector x1 y1 column vector b, vector b x2 y2 column vector. Standard form: a x1I plus y1j, x2I plus y2j. Like I here j. I and j are unit vectors along the x-axis and y-axis. Then how to find the modulus of a? Modulus of vector A is written as under root x1 whole square plus y1 whole square. Vector B under root x2 whole square plus y2 whole square. And what is the angle between them? The angle between them, the angle between vector A and vector B is, if this is vector A, this is vector B, the angle between them is A and B is given by cos theta equal vector A dot vector B upon modulus A modulus B. Vector A dot vector B upon modulus A modulus A is modulus B, where A dot B can be written as x1 x2 plus y1 y2. The angle between I and j is 90 degree. So cos 90 degree equals 0. Therefore x1 y2 plus x2 y1 ij equal 0, where I dot j equal j dot I equal 0, as cos 90 degree equal 0. The angle between I and j is 90 degree. So cos 90 degree equal 0. Therefore, I dot j equal j dot I equal 0. The angle between them is given by cos theta equal a dot b by modulus a modulus b, and unit vector. Another, let vector a equal xy. So only one vector. Consider vector a equal xy, or you can write xi plus yj. So you can write modulus a as x square plus y square. Xy is a vector. See, this is x, this is y. And what is the direction? The direction of vector A is given by tan theta m equal y component by x component, y component upon x component. So this is the slope. Just like in coordinate geometry, tan theta equal y component by x component. In the same way, the direction of vector A is given by tan theta equal y component by x component. A unit vector of vector A is given by a cup equal vector A by modulus A. If vector A is x, y, modulus A is x square plus y square, or you can write this as x upon under root x square plus y square, comma y upon under root x square plus y square. This is the unit vector along A. Unit vector A is a cup equal vector A by modulus A. These things are very important. Another, scalar product. There are two types of products. Scalar or dot product and vector or cross product of A and vector B. How to find the scalar product or dot product and cross product of vector A and B? Solution. Scalar means dot product of vector A and vector B. How to notify A dot B equal modulus A modulus B cos theta. Simply we can write AB cos theta. A dot B equal AB cos theta. This one. A cross B equal modulus A modulus B sin theta. This is the dot product and cross product. See, dot product, or scalar product A dot B AB cos theta. vector product, or this one is called vector or cross product. How to read? This is not A. This is, you have to read vector A dot vector B on scalar dot product. You can read, don't read vector A into vector B. That is not into. Vector A cross product of vector A vector B. A dot cross B. AB sin theta. Another properties of scalar products. What are some of the properties of scalar products? Here I am going to write down scalar or dot product property. Property number 1. A dot B equal modulus A modulus B cos theta. Property number 1. Property number 2. A dot B equal B dot A. This is also property number 2. Another property, A dot B plus C equal A dot B plus A dot C. Just like algebraic rule. Just like algebraic rule. Another is very important thing is being parallel. In which condition vectors are parallel, and in which conditions vectors are perpendicular? See, if first of all, condition of parallelism. I write down parallelism. If vector A equal vector B, or if vector A is parallel to vector B, then you can write vector A can be expressed in terms of another vector. Vector A equal k times vector B. This one parallel vector. See, two vectors are parallel. Vector A, vector B. If vector A is parallel to vector B, then you can express vector A in terms of another vector B. Another, if vector A is perpendicular to vector B, then you can write A dot B equal 0. Perpendicular vectors. See, vector A is perpendicular to vector B, then the dot product is 0. Conversely, if vector A dot vector B equals 0, then you can write vector A is perpendicular to vector B. This perpendicular vector is also called orthogonal vectors. Another, if A dot B equal AB, then they are like and parallel. A and B are like and parallel. Another, if A dot B equal minus AB, then vector A and vector B are unlike and parallel. Unlike and parallel. See, parallel but unlike. Opposite directions. Another 6, 7, 8 number. property number 8. See, for two directions, x and y, x axis, y axis, x axis and y axis. See, I j, here I into j, vector I into j equal vector j into I equal 0. Vector I dot vector I equal 1. Vector j into vector j equal also 1. But for 3D, for 3D, three directional x axis, y axis, z axis, I, j, k, you can write I into I equal j into j equal k dot k equal 1. Here is 90 degree. All are 90 degree. I and j are perpendicular. J and k are perpendicular. K and I are also perpendicular. But I dot j equal j dot k equal k dot I equal 0 degree, as cos 90 degree equal 0. यसरी I र j को बीचमा I को बीचमा cos 0 degree हुन्छ. Cos 0 degree is 1. Therefore I dot I equal 1. J dot j equal 1. K dot k equal also 1, because cos 0 degree equal 1. But I, j and k are perpendicular to each other. They are perpendicular to each other. Therefore I dot j equal 0. I dot j 0. J dot k equal 0. K dot I equal also 0, because cos 90 degree equal 0. This much for today. Next time I will teach more.